Up next, a 2017 Indian Springfield in colors steel gray over burgundy. Really pretty color combination. There's no way you can tell this bike has almost, well, let's see, a little over 8,000 if I remember right. Oh, I do. 8,146 miles as of right now, but you couldn't tell that by looking at it. It's in that nice of condition. Previous owner added a nice set of Rush exhaust pipes, which we'll play for you in a moment. This year, this make, this model of bike comes with a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission. Oh, tight shot of the pipe there. I'm not personally familiar with Rush exhaust systems, but it sounds good. Wait till you hear it. I really like the way these bikes look. This color combination especially. With the Indians, you just press the, like a lot of cars have this, press it once. Granted, we're shooting this indoors, so it's a little louder than if we were shooting this video outdoors. But that exhaust system will absolutely get you noticed. Like the bike isn't pretty enough to do that all by itself. It's available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.